So this is how you can recover your Monopoly Go account. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Monopoly Go. Today you will learn how to get your account back and recover it. So go ahead and open Monopoly, and here I am. This is my board. As you can see, I just started. This is a new account. Now, how do we actually prevent from losing accounts so that you don't have to recover them? Because there are no other ways to recover them unless you have your emails, your passwords. So how do you actually just prevent all of that? Go ahead and tap on the menu at the top right, and then as you can see from the bottom, there is a blue button that says connect. Now, go ahead and tap on that and then connect your Facebook. This way, if you sign into Facebook on this game, you'll sign in back to the account that you use. You can also go ahead and tap on friends and then tap on Facebook, and yeah, you can go ahead and just connect your Facebook, and then you won't lose this account ever again. That is, unless if you also lose the Facebook account. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Once again, top right, menu, and then tap on connect. This will connect you to your Facebook, and it'll be very easy. You don't have to do anything, you just have to connect, and you won't lose your account. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.